Incomplete block designs. The randomized complete block design RCBD not adequate for comparing large number of treatments of varieties because it is difficult to maintain the homogeneity within a replicate. But in incomplete block design, a block contains fewer treatments than a total number of treatments to be compared, resulting again in persistence due to the use of the small blocks, which are homogeneous. But into small blocks, these small blocks do not contain full set of treatments. So, under these conditions, we use the incomplete block design. Here is the lambda. I will tell you when we solve the questions. Lambda, let we discuss, is an integer and indicates the number of time each pair of treatment occur together within the same block. T, total number of treatment. K, number of treatment in each block. K less than T. R, number of times of a treatment occur in a design. So in incomplete block design, we will study balanced lattice designs and rectangular lattice design. We will discuss here first balanced lattice design. Simply, we will go for question for better understandings. The 9 treatments, each replicated 4 times, give the following yield data. This is the block number, this is the block number, this is the block number, and this is the block number. Replication 1, replication 2, replication 3, replication 4. Here is the total. These are the totals of this one, and this one. But very, very important, for ith treatment total, Ti, ith treatment corresponding block B, Wi is adjusted treatment total ADGI are computed as follows. For here treatment 1, this is the treatment 1 in this block, that is the 28.1, and this is the in treatment 1 in block 2, 27.2, and this is the 28.0 in block 3rd, replication 3rd with the treatment 1, and similarly this one 26.1. So we add this one, T1 is here. These are basically first values, so it is very easy to understand. But for T2, here is T2 25.4, here is 25.4 in block 2. Where is 2? Here is 2, 26.1 in block 2, block replication 3 to 22.22. 2 is here, and in the replication 4, this one is T2. So we will add all these one. Similarly, we will find for T3, T4, T5, T6, so on T9. Suppose for T5, in first replication, T5 is this one, 23.4, plus in this one 20.5, and here 19.8 plus, and here one is the fifth one is here 18.1. So add these 4 values, you will get a total of T5. Similarly T6, we will see here number 6 in all 4 replication. For T9 we will see 9 number in four replications, then add then we will get the T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, so on up to T9, so on. I think this is very important concept, how to find the T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 and T7. Again I repeat, for T3 we will this 23.4 plus this 24.5, here 21, here is 20.2. Add these value, we get the T3. It's now I think it should be clear. Okay, now we have the block B1, B2. This is also very important. For B1 block, yes, 36.9, yes, 64.6, 66.2 and 65.0. This one you will get this one. Similarly, in this way you will get B2. And the third one is WI. Here is the formula: 3TI minus 4BI plus G total grand total G. W1 put the value of T1 B1 plus G, W2 and so on. So these are very important calculation. I think you have no problems in T1, B1, W1 and so on. So it is very important. This is the way how to analyze the incomplete block design in balanced lattice. So this is the complete list: T1, T2, B1, B2, WI. That's when now we find the correction factor. It is very simple: G square, K square over K square into K plus 1. This one. Put the values, you will get this one. Now you can find the total sum of square. Similarly, SS treatment, similarly, SS replication, similarly, SS block adjusted, we will use this formula. Then we find the SS error. Please, these are the calculations. Put in the ANOVA table. Then you will do it for the adjusted TI. By using this formula, and for this you have this analysis of variance table. So this was the method how to analyze the incomplete block design in balanced lattice design. In a similar way, you will do for the rectangular lattice design, same as I have told. Students, any problem you can just email me. And now from the exercise, you do all the questions from 9.3 to 9.99, 9.8 as your assignment. Please do it. Thank you very much.